Hello everyone, welcome to Module 2 Software Installation and Uses. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to install the softwares required for our training. Here is the list of softwares required for our training. First of all, we will need a text editor such as Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, Atom, or any other text editor you may also use. And another one is Anaconda, and the last one is Python 3. Let's start with installation of Sublime Text. First of all, we have to download the exe package from the official website. I have already shared the link with you, so just download the software and then move to step 2. After downloading the Sublime Text 3, just run the executable file. This will show you a prompt as shown in the figure. Here you have to just click on next button. Now we will get the option for choosing the file location for Sublime Text. Here keep it as default and just click on next button. Now you will see that it will ask you to verify the destination folder for the installation process. So just click on install button. Now wait until the Sublime Text 3 get installed to your system. After the successful installation, you will get the prompt where you will see completing the Sublime Text 3 setup wizard. Here you just have to click on finish button. Now you have successfully installed the Sublime Text 3 in your system. After successful installation, your editor will appear as shown below. After installation of Sublime Text 3, we will install Anaconda in our system. So first of all, we have to download the installer part from the link which I have shared to you in the classroom. After downloading the installer file, we have to just run the executable file. Here we will see a welcome prompt from the Anaconda. Here we have to just click on next. Now the Anaconda prompt will show the terms and condition of Anaconda software. So just click on I agree button and move on. Here the Anaconda prompt will ask you for the installation type. So just go on with just me, which is already recommended by the Anaconda software itself. So just select the just me and click on next button. Now the prompt will ask you for the destination location to install Anaconda. Here I will recommend you to just leave it as default. You may also select your desired location for installation of Anaconda. On selecting the location, you just have to click on next. Now the prompt will ask you for the advanced installation options. Here you will get two options. I will ask you to select both the option and you will get an error message that it is not recommended. But just go on, click on install button. Now wait for the installation and focus on the progress bar. When it will reach to 100%, the next button will get active. So just click on next button. Now you will get a prompt where you will be recommended to download the PyCharm for the further development. But I will request you to just move on and click on next button because PyCharm is not so much important now. So just go on with next button. Now the prompt will ask you for the final setup. Here you will get two options ticked, but just untick the both option and click on finish button. Now you have successfully installed the Anaconda on your system. You may check it by clicking on a start button and typing just Anaconda in the search bar. You will get the Anaconda available at your system. Now we will move on to install the Python 3, the final software required for our development. First of all, we have to download the executable file. I have shared the link with you. So just go to download and wait until the download gets completed. After download, run the executable file. You will see the prompt as shown in the figure. Just tick the option in the below add Python 3.8 to the path. Then click on install now button. Now you will get a prompt like the picture given below. So wait until the progress bar reaches to 100%. After successful installation, the given below prompt appear on the screen. Then just click on close. Now Python 3 has been installed to your system. You may check it by going to a start menu and searching the Python there, or just typing Python in the search bar and you will get Python 3 option available in your system. Now we will learn how to use this software in another lecture. So it's time to say thank you. See you all in the next lecture.